How do we differentiate between hypocalcemia and a problem of ketosis or negative energy balance? If the animal is still active. When you have hypocalcemia, there is no muscle control. So whenever those animals go down, those guys in the herd managers tell you ng'ombe wangu imeanguka chini, lakini bado anafanya nini? Anapinduka, bado anajaribu kutafuta chakula, they are still swallowing. It's majorly a problem of glucose or energy. Ketonex is what could help that animal. So that when it takes the Ketonex, the propylene glycol is energy goes straight into the bloodstream. The animal wakes up and now is able to feed. Remember, the animal, the energy required is instant. So it has no time to eat, digest, so that it can get the energy. It requires instant energy. That is one of the other uses of Ketonex. The other issue is sleepy sickness. What is sleepy sickness? Tunajua sleepy sickness, especially in goats and sheep. I know this one now. You have met enough sheep and goats to understand the problems of sheep and goats in this environment. Sleepy sickness. There's this problem that always happens when the goat is just about to kid. The last 2 to 4 weeks before kidding, or in the lambs, just 2 to 4 weeks before lambing down, you end up with some sheep going around, turning in circles, wobbly gait, and more times than not, they fall down and they die. Have we ever encountered something like that? It's called pregnancy toxemia. Pregnancy toxemia is a negative energy balance problem. Right now, all the goats we want are the twinning goats. All the sheep we want are the twinning sheep. Sindio? Wako na watoto wawili. The farmer is very happy. The problem is during the last month before giving birth, what will happen is that there's always more demand for energy for the twins, and there's more demand than what the sheep can consume. Remember, there is not even enough fodder for the sheep to eat, and the twins are demanding more energy because in the last bit is when they actually grow to their maximum, and that is negative energy balance. That is pregnancy toxemia in sheep and goats. That is sleepy sickness. When you are called for this case, you find the sheep has already died. When you do a post-mortem, chances are you'll find 2 lambs. Chances are you'll find three lambs, or you will find two kids. That is pregnancy toxemia. So make it a habit. Whenever you have this big sheep, the doper sheep, and you are thinking they might have twins, ensure that you are able to give them what? Propylene glycol as a source of energy, especially towards the last bit of gestation.